Okay, hello everyone. So we are now in our devotional. And today is September 4, and our daily verse for today's devotional is can be found in Colossians 3 verse 23. It says, "And whatsoever ye do, do it heartily, as to the Lord and not unto men." So God has given you life and all the rich blessings that make it enjoyable. And in return, He has claims upon you for service, for gratitude, for love, for obedience to His law. So He requires you to control passion, to restrain thoughts and actions, and to live fretful words unspoken. So, life's blessings come with call responsibility. Lahat naman po ng mga ginagawa po natin, sa bawat oras po ito o dapat po tayo maging responsable po. Because God asks for our gratitude, love, obedience, pagsunod po sa Kanya, and urging to manage our passions. Curb selfishness, and of course, ito yung pinaka-importante, we have to speak in a kind way. So in doing so, we honor the gifts that we've been given and live out our values with integrity. So magpapatuloy po tayo. With Jesus required the self-control. If it were not for your real happiness to practice it, no. Because He wishes you to cultivate such traits of character as will bring peace to your own hearts and enable you to brighten other hearts and lives with the sunshine of love, joy, and cheerful contentment. So yeah, Jesus encourages self-control, not just for duty's sake, but for our true happiness. So, kaya talagang itong hina-highlight po sa devotional na to ay dapat po tayong magkaroon talaga ng self-control. Kasi maraming mga tao na hanggang ngayon ay nagsastruggle pa rin po sa tinatawag nilang self-control. Kasi magaling tayong magpalabas ng yung mga nararamdaman natin na hindi na natin namamalayan, tayo na pala yung napapasok na sa kasalanan. Yes. And by fostering traits like love and joy, we not only find peace ourselves, but also bring light and warmth to the others' lives. So, ayun lang yung payo ng Diyos sa atin. We have to find peace ourselves, but also bring light to the warmth in others' lives. So, magpapatuloy po tayo. If you are truly converted, if you are children of Jesus, you will honor your parents. You will not only do what they tell you, but will watch for opportunities to help them. In doing this, you are working for Jesus. He considers all these caretaking, thoughtful deeds as done to Himself. This is the most important kind of missionary work, and those who are faithful in these little everyday duties are gaining a valuable experience. By employing your time in some useful work, you will be closing a door against Satan's temptation. Remember that Jesus lived not to please Himself, and you must be like Him. Make this matter one of a religious principle and ask Jesus to help you. Be exercising your mind in this direction, and you will be preparing to become a burden bearers in the cause of good, as you have been caretakers in the home circle, that you will have a good influence upon others and you may win them to the service of Christ. So 3D 254. So when you make up your mind to do something in which your heart is set, you do not give up for difficulties, but try again and again and again, but put the same energy and determination to succeed in the service of Christ, and you will not fail of reward. So in this devotional, though, the true conversion reflects in honoring and helping our parents. So we have to help our parents. Talaga ito po talaga ay panawagan din po sa atin ng Diyos na dapat po nating tulungan din po ang ating mga magulang. Hindi lang, you will not, sabi dito, you will not only do what they tell you, pero dapat you will watch for opportunities to help them. So yeah, in doing this, you are working for Jesus, and He considers all these caretaking, thoughtful deeds as done to Himself. Wow! So as this acts as in service to Jesus, by dedicating yourself to daily responsibilities and overcoming challenges with determination. So you only grow spiritually, but also set a strong example that can inspire others towards Jesus Christ. So that is our devotional for this for today. So I hope that every one of you had a wonderful day.